In this video, we explore a right triangle whose side lengths are denoted as A, B, and C, where A and B represent the lengths of the two legs of the triangle. Our goal is to determine the area, denoted S, of this right triangle. We are given that the perimeter of the triangle is equal to 1, and that the length A is equal to the quantity B plus C divided by 5. We begin by using the fact that the perimeter of the triangle is equal to 1. This allows us to write the equation A plus B plus C equals 1. We also use the given equation A equals the quantity B plus C divided by 5. From this, we deduce that B plus C equals 5 times A. By substituting the expression B plus C equals 5 times A into the equation A plus B plus C equals 1, we obtain A plus 5 times A equals 1. This simplifies to 6 times A equals 1, which means that A equals 1 divided by 6, which is approximately equal to 0.16. Next, we substitute A equals 1 divided by 6 into the equation B plus C equals 5 times A. This becomes B plus C equals 5 divided by 6, which implies that C equals 5 divided by 6 minus B. Because the triangle is a right triangle, we apply the Pythagorean theorem A raised to the power of 2 plus B raised to the power of 2 equals C raised to the power of 2. Substituting A equals 1 divided by 6 and C equals 5 divided by 6 minus B into this equation yields the quantity 1 divided by 6 raised to the power of 2 plus B raised to the power of 2 equals the quantity 5 divided by 6 minus B raised to the power of 2. Expanding both sides, we obtain 1 divided by 36 plus B raised to the power 2 equals 25 divided by 36 minus 10 divided by 6 times B plus B raised to the power of 2. By simplifying this equation, we get 10 divided by 6 times B equals 24 divided by 36, which means that B equals 2 divided by 5, which is equal to 0.4. Now that we know the lengths A and B, we can calculate the area of the right triangle. The area S is equal to A times B divided by 2, which equals 1 divided by 6 times 2 divided by 5 times 1 divided by 2. This simplifies to S equals 1 divided by 30, which is approximately equal to 0.033. By combining perimeter constraints, proportional relationships, and the Pythagorean theorem, we successfully determined the exact area of the right triangle. The final area, 1 divided by 30, showcases how even small numerical values can arise naturally from geometric structure. If this breakdown was instructive for you, and you want more videos where geometry and algebra come together to reveal elegant solutions, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new challenge. Finally, if you truly enjoy this kind of educational content and you want to take your own YouTube journey to the next level, I invite you to check out vidIQ using the link in the description. vidIQ is an all-in-one solution designed specifically for YouTube creators. It allows you to schedule and publish posts directly on YouTube, analyze your channel's growth with detailed insights, generate thumbnails, create video scripts, and access a wide variety of other powerful tools all in one place. If you want to support this channel while also boosting your own YouTube performance, getting a subscription to vidIQ is one of the best ways to do it. Just click the link in the description, explore what it can do for you, and start improving your content today.